Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on your Likee application using your mobile device. Clearing cache is totally safe and it helps your app run smoother without deleting your account or videos. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Likee application on your device and from the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After you open up your profile section, click on the three lines at the top right corner. And then from the pop-up at the bottom, click on Settings. Once you open up Settings, click on Clean Storage. There you will be able to see several options. You can go ahead and tap on All at the top left and click on Clean at the bottom in order to clear out cache on your Likee application. Your Likee cache will now be cleared. This will help the app load faster and removes temporary files, but don't worry, it won't delete your videos, likes, or account data. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.